If you're a homeowner in Taylor, you know how important it is to keep your house comfortable year-round. Between hot summers, cooler winters, and rising energy costs, your home's doors play a bigger role than you might think. Installing energy-efficient replacement doors is one of the smartest upgrades you can make, not just for comfort, but for long-term savings and peace of mind. Lower energy bills month after month. One of the biggest benefits of energy-efficient replacement doors is reduced energy loss. Older doors often allow air leaks around frames, panels, and seals. This forces your heating and cooling system to work harder to maintain indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient doors are designed with tight seals, insulated cores, and advanced materials that help keep hot air out in the summer and warm air in during winter. For Taylor homeowners, this means lower monthly utility bills and more consistent indoor temperatures throughout the year. Improved indoor comfort. Drafty doors can make certain rooms feel uncomfortable, no matter how much you adjust the thermostat. Energy-efficient replacement doors eliminate those drafts by creating a strong thermal barrier between your home and the outdoors. The result is a home that feels more balanced and comfortable, whether you're relaxing in the living room or cooking in the kitchen. No more chilly air creeping in during winter or heat radiating through the door during peak summer afternoons. Enhanced home value and curb appeal. Replacing outdated doors with modern, energy-efficient options instantly boosts your home's appearance. Today's doors come in a wide variety of styles, colors, finishes, and glass designs that can complement any home in Taylor, from traditional to modern. Beyond looks, energy-efficient upgrades are attractive to potential buyers. Many homebuyers actively look for features that reduce energy costs. Installing replacement doors can increase resale value and help your home stand out in a competitive market. Better noise reduction. Living near busy roads or active neighborhoods can bring unwanted noise indoors. Energy-efficient doors often feature insulated cores and thicker construction that help reduce outside noise. This added sound insulation creates a quieter, more peaceful home environment, especially beneficial if you work from home, have young children, or simply enjoy a calm living space. Increased durability and security. Modern energy-efficient doors aren't just about insulation, they're also built for strength. Many are made with reinforced frames, high-quality materials, and advanced locking systems. This added durability means better protection against everyday wear and tear, harsh weather, and potential intrusions. Taylor homeowners gain both energy savings and added security with a single upgrade. Environmentally friendly choiced energy-efficient replacement doors help reduce your home's overall energy consumption. Using less energy means fewer emissions and a smaller environmental footprint. For homeowners who care about sustainability, this upgrade supports a more eco-friendly lifestyle while still delivering tangible financial benefits. Long-term cost savings. While energy-efficient doors may cost more upfront than standard options, they pay for themselves over time. Reduced energy bills, fewer repairs, and long-lasting materials mean significant long-term savings. Many homeowners also find that modern doors require less maintenance, helping you save both time and money in the years ahead. A smart upgrade for Taylor Homes. Installing energy-efficient replacement doors is a practical, high-impact improvement for any home in Taylor. From lower energy bills and improved comfort to better security and increased home value, the benefits are hard to ignore. If you're looking for a home upgrade that delivers immediate results and long-term rewards, energy-efficient replacement doors are a smart investment that pays off every day.